Da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-da. Bottle rocket launch with parachute.
Becky, we're trying it for real. Becky, we're trying it for real. Come on, we're trying it for real. I don't understand how we're going to try this for real. What are you doing? What are you doing? The water. Oh.
How do I?
Look, the water bottle rocket thingo, bobbly. The launcher. We've made a launcher. This is going to be so cool. Has that got a hole in it then? Oh no, this bottle's just got. So we're going to launch this rocket up and we've got to get some few things there.
Let's go get a pump.
Okay, going to get the pump. I'm following you on film. Pump. We've got to get a pump. Pump's in there.
Bum bum.
Oh look, there's the pump. Strangely, there it is. So I've got to go back in. If the video's going all funny, that's because I'm running. Now I'm walking. I'm going upstairs. It's got no water in it though.
Yeah, we're going to put this down here first, then we'll get some water in it.
We're going to get water for it. It's a water bottle launch and it's going to go. God, what was that?
Put the lid up.
Where? Where is it?
Right in front of you.
Oh, there it is. Need. Ha.
Where's the lid going?
There. It's going that way. There's the lid.
Right.
Need to stuff in there like that. Watch, we're gonna do. Watch what we're gonna do. It's gonna. You just gonna do that, and he's just doing this, and then the wind will blow that top off, and then the thing will come out, and if it goes high enough, it might actually. Oh.
Right.
The things came off.
I'm going to go fill this with water. I'll be back.
I'm recording it.
Hey YouTube.
I'm recording. Oh. Okay. Hose. You start to fill up with water till it gets to the top. You get some water in it, then the pump, you connect it in with the pump. Oh god, oh god, I can't run, oh god, come on, run as fast as you can. Why, it's better outside this is.
Oh, now you're going to really find out what a water bottle rocket looks like.
Yeah,
So just carry on watching and then this will just show you. So you put, it's like a bottle simple. All it is there is a cork on this launcher, and there's my photo, and it's got water in it, and then when the pump's connected to it, when you get put enough pressure into it, the water bottle launches like and then you can just just do what, and then you just pump it up, and then the parachute, when it goes on the air, if it goes high enough, it makes a parachute come out, and then the lid will pop off and the parachute will come out. Oh, and as you see now, that's what's happened, and now it's parachuting, and then it goes into a tree.
It got caught in a tree. I knew this was going to happen.
How are we going to get that out?
I don't know, but it's just got stuck in a tree.
Burger, I know. I said burger. I don't know why. I just like burgers. I'm quite good at making water bottle rockets because I've watched this. And hopefully you'll make one which has wings on it and is joined up to it. And now we figured out the parachute technique. It's kind of went a little bit bad after that, but now we figured out the parachute technique. We can make the water bottle rocket with fins now. So then it can fly better, and then we're gonna watch it parachute. But after it got caught in the tree, we got it out and it fell into the chicken, so it's past an electric fence. So Daddy had to get out a shovel, or a shovel, and he had to got out a spade, and he had to grab it with the spade on the edge of it. And so, just carry on watching the video now. That was me, and I just wanted to say, if you want to know what a water bottle rocket is, continue watching, hear my narration, and then hear my narration at the end, and you will find, and then you will just watch it go, and then it will be fun, and then you can go and try it out yourself if you get the idea of a launcher. If you don't know how to make the launcher, simply just go on the internet and type in how to make a water bottle rocket launcher, and all you need is 2 water bottles. Cut the top of one and the one, and then you put that on the bottom of the other one, and then you simply fill it up with water. Put it on the launcher by putting it on the cork which is on the launcher, and then connect the pump to it and just pump, and eventually it shall be up, and it will just launch off into the air. And if you're inside it, you can also make a parachute, but you'll just have to watch this. You'll just have to kind of figure out how to do that on the internet as well. So just carry on watching. Directed by me. Starring James and Henry. Filmed at Writtle. Soundtrack, none.